it's your girl Avian, and we are here today in Freeport, Lake Jackson area, and we're gonna be riding Surfside Beach to, where are we going? Sargent Beach. We're gonna be riding Surfside Beach to Sargent Beach. That's about a 60-mile round trip ride, and then we're gonna be doing some surf riding, some jumping on some waves, and hopefully the waves are firing out today. Oh, we got a couple more people still launching, and then hang out on the beach. So we got quite a bit of skis here today. Maybe hit some bayous. I brought extra fuel just in case I need it. And then we're gonna try to get Jonathan. We're gonna try to get Jonathan to jump some waves for the first time. And I brought the Trixx out because that's one of the best skis to ride to hit waves, because you can get some air. What are you doing over there? This dude over here, adjusting. So some of the people, as you can see, there's a lot of skis out here. This is one of the Xtreme Riders ride events that we put together, and we do these like about once or twice a month. And as you can see, there's quite a bit. And now some of them already went out to the water to jump some waves, and that's where we're going right now. So let's go hit these waves. Oh yeah, the waves are good right now. They're not too stacked, they're just right. Guys, everybody left me out there by myself. I looked around, but I had one guy with me. He was on the drone. I was like, oh, at least I have somebody watching me out here. One person. jumping, you know, I kind of noticed that I was like, I touched my head and to wipe off the water, and I'm like, where's my hat? I didn't even notice I lost my hat, but then I can remember that I probably lost it when the water splashed me in the face, and I probably have video of it on the 360. But now we're on the San Bernard. We've got crabs running around.
Hi.
Nah, he still eats. Unless a drum or something gets him.
So on the Relive, you'll be able to see the location of this area where you can come out. And it's about 3 feet, but you want to stay closer to the edge. Where you can come out and hang out on the sandbar. And then over there is the ocean on the other side of this. How was the waves today, Kevin?
Not too bad.
I like to be the person.
Let's say we had like a small set, just a little bit of a band. But the clean water came in a little bit. It wasn't blue, but it was a hell of a lot better than this.
I don't think, you can't even see her feet in 1 inch water. That's how bad it is right now.
Yeah, it's pretty gross out there.